Hey guys, I hope you had a good Easter. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys a few things that we've changed in Classroom to make it easier for you and a little bit easier for me too. If you were on the Zoom meeting last Wednesday, then you've already seen this, but if you want to watch it, then whatever, that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So this is 6 hours Classroom stream. I went ahead and put the new continuous learning document for weeks 3 and 4 right here. When you click on that, you're going to be able to view a copy of it. So this is today. Obviously, we don't have school because we're off for professional development. Or you're off. I'm working, but you're off. So there's nothing for Monday. If you go down to Tuesday, you can see all of your classes, but I just put this on here so that you can access your science stuff, but if you want, you can access all your classes with it. You will click on the Classroom link for your Pearson online book, and I just added 3.5. So in your classroom, it looks like this. Lesson 5, Biodiversity. So this is actually been made as an assignment, but you don't have to turn this in. Okay, this is just, that's the way that Pearson has us post it, so you can access it at any point in time. You don't actually have to turn this in as an assignment. It's just for the reading for your assignments. Okay, the thing that's the most different now is that you're not going to be creating documents and sharing them with me via email. You're going to actually just go into your classroom and there's an assignment here. Okay, so now yours is going to look a little different. When you click on this right here, you're going to just open the assignment. It makes a copy for each of you. It's set up that way, and then when you're done with it, you'll turn it in. Now my view shows me who's turned the assignments in, and that way it's not coming into my email and I'm not getting emails at 3 a.m. because you guys are up doing your homework. And as you can see, 3 people have turned it in already. I think it'll just make it easier for all of your assignments to be put on here, and I can just go in here and view it. Now, if you email it to me, I'm not going to count it, so you need to make sure that you turn it in this way if you're online. All right, let's see. We are going to have a Zoom meeting on Wednesday. I'm going to be posting new links because I am attempting to get more students on, and having the 9:30 meeting isn't very effective for first hour because we only had 2 people. So I'm combining first hour and third hour. Their meeting's at 10:30. And I'm combining 4th hour and 6th hour. Your guys' meeting is at 11. So I will post the new links for that tomorrow. I'm not going to be putting all of your classwork on Classroom on Monday. I'll just do it 1 or 2 days ahead of time, so you're not going to be able to just log on and get them all done. And the reason I'm not doing that is because it causes so much confusion, and I get emails about assignments that are maybe for Friday on Tuesday, and they're looking for Tuesday's assignment, not Friday's assignment. So if you like to work ahead, I'm sorry, you're just going to have to be patient and let me post it. I hope you had a really good Easter and you got to spend some time with your families and you're getting outside when it's nice. I miss you guys, and if you have any questions, email me. All right, bye.